पैसे वापस करो, ठंड नहीं है।
घुमरो डांस विद द आउटफिट ऑन। क्या सुनते हो रे तुम, क्या सुनते हो? Look at this tourist guy not listening to anything. We are in a flight to Kashmir. It has been forever. We have had noodles. We have had chana. We have had trail mix. We have had coke. We have had chakli. Welcome to our vlog. Flight entertainment is vlogging now. See my nails and see my rings in the meantime.
Beautiful.
Hopefully another one and a half hours and we'll be in Kashmir. Hopefully, because it is taking forever. इतना तो लंबा फ्लाइट मुझे ज़्यूरिख का भी नहीं लगा था. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And this guy is late as usual. And I'm hungry. Look at my food, my husband's shirt, my pants, my sister's bag. Borrowed. Everything is borrowed but my pants. This is impromptu outfit change because Kashmir is too hot. Let me know how do I look. Okay, come we'll go eat. There's a lemon tea. We got some anda for protein. Where are we?
We're in Kashmir.
At Zero Bridge, and this is made of walnut wood. क्या सुनते हो रे तुम, क्या सुनते हो? Look at this tourist guy not listening to anything. We are at this bridge which is made of walnut wood, and I'll show you the view. It's pretty. It's beautiful. There are some houseboats. यहाँ पे. We are going to go in the houseboats tonight.
Just chilling us.
It's too sunny. पैसे वापस करो, ठंड नहीं है. But it's very pretty.
Coming to see your picture.
I don't know if it's visible.
Not really.
Yeah, that's fine. We have just entered Nehru Gardens and the view is, it's just, look at the flowers. Look at the view. Beautiful. in Nehru Gardens. It's pretty sunny but it's pleasant and it's kind of spring, it's not winters, so बहुत सारा फूल खिल रहा है and I want to do bumro dance with the outfit on but it's very embarrassing. बहुत शर्म आ रही है मुझे, but I really want to do it like that. I want to sit flowers के बीच में, wear that outfit and take that basket of flowers, but it's very embarrassing. धूप तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा. It's too sunny, but it's beautiful. Can you come sit? Say something to my vlog. Hi,
It's a
vlog.
beautiful day here in Srinagar.
Yes.
My
Well,
wife is hungry and has decided to
fast
stage,
it out.
Yeah.
Fast it out till we go to a
Stage a
restaurant.
hunger strike
Yeah.
and make her hunger known while also enjoying the beauty of Srinagar.
Yes, actually, I'm fasting it out till we go to Adu's.
To have the best dum aloo in Kashmir.
Yes. We are sitting by the lake in Nehru Gardens, which is one of the Mughal gardens, and it's very beautiful. So we have decided to sit here for some time. Oh, nice. We are here at Shalimar Gardens. ज़्यादा ही धूप.
But it is kind of cool.
It is kind of cool because of the fountains. Look at the view. Front camera में इतना view अच्छा नहीं आता, तो let me just. That is the view. And these are the fountains that we are talking about, जिसकी वजह से ठंडक है. Look at the flowers, guys. Sasang buys me flowers in Bangalore, but I will believe in his love for me only if he gets me flowers from Kashmir. They should be big, the roses should be as big as my face. Only then. यहाँ की कश्मीर की मिट्टी में उगा हुआ from one of these parks that we are visiting. Only then I will believe in his love.
Look at what love takes you to.
I deserve it, guys. I deserve it. Such a pretty place. Pink flowers everywhere. Let's watch. What is this gender reveal party at Shalimar Bagh? Pink, blue, pink, blue. It's fucking hot. I'm in the most beautiful place ever. There are blue flowers around me, and then I'll show you the view. There's like pink flowers, mountains, snow-capped mountains, और पेड़ के बीच.
Like I got my new BMW.
Yum. I can't know what is what. I think this is methi mas, what I know of. That is some.
Rack of lamb.
And what is this?
This is kebab.
Okay, what is this?
Kebab.
This is Kashmiri saag.
Yes.
This is
The lotus shoot. I forgot the
Nadru
name.
Yakni.
Yes.
This is, I think,
Gushtaba.
this is, what is this?
This is Rogan Josh.
This is Rogan Josh. This is Gushtaba. This
I
is
forgot.
Rista.
Rista. I guess so.
Look at this happy man. And मेरे लिए दम आलू आया है, अभी रोटी आ रहा है, so yeah, it's red. Okay, I'm just going to stick to one aloo for now, and then naan. Look at this king size meal, and look at this sad meal. I'm sad. In Shikara with my beloved. This is Shahi Kebab. This is normal kebab. Kebab. I think it has dalchini, no? Oh my god, yours is too heavy. We are going to a houseboat and it's pitch dark. All of these houseboats. How do you feel?
Peaceful. And a little bit cold.
Our houseboat was on Nagin Lake, and reaching there was extremely scary. How was our houseboat experience? You will watch it in our next vlog. Until then, bye!